4 minutes, to know a jacks or better video poker percentage payout just by looking at the pay table. Can you see some differences from these 4 pay tables? Yes, the full house value changes from 6, 7, 8 to 9, and the flush from 5 to 6 on the last pay table. This changes the total game's payout percentage, as the game draw cards randomly. Changing some paying ratio on the pay table change the game's percentage payout as well. And this makes variations from 92 to over 98%. Look at this poker pay table's table chart, with all hands pays. Note the changes on the 4 different pay tables. I have highlighted the pay ratio changes on red. And below each pay table, you can see the current game payout percentage ratio. So now, from this pay table, this one, and that one, you can just estimate the average game payout percentage just by looking at the pay table. Here is a table chart for jacks or better video poker games with another kind of pay table. On these pay tables, the game payout percentage ratio is from 88 to over 96%. Look at the paying hands highlighted in red, and notice the changes from the 2 pairs to the 4 of a kind. And such changes increase or decrease the game's total payout percentage ratio. On the first pay table, the flush pays 6 and the full house 7 and the straight to 5 and 3 of a kind 4. But the 4 of a kind pays only 15, and the 2 pairs only 1. Making this game with a low payout ratio of over 87%. As 2 pairs are a common hand, reducing the pays from 2 to 1 at 1 to 1 will then decrease a lot the total game payout ratio. So the pays value for 3 of a kind to full house are increased. Note that the 4 of a kind paying ratio has changed as well, reduced to 15 to 1. If you look at the other pay tables, you can see the payout percentage variations according to the pay table hands ratio. This example here is a bit more difficult to understand than the previous one here, which have changes only for the full house, and the flush as well for the highest paying game from these 4 examples shown here. Let's figure out about this pay table with a payout over 98%. If the same game has a progressive jackpot, or a bonus such as a 4 of a kind bonus, then the game total payout percentage will be increased, to over 99% payout ratio, as there are extra pays added to a video poker game with this pay table. Now just by looking at a video poker pay table you can determine the payout percentage ratio. And better to look for a 1 2 3 4 6 9 25 50 250 pay table than a 1 2 3 4 5 6 25 50 250, as you compare 2 games with a different payout ratio from approximately 93 to 98%. Let's have one more look at the pay table charts. Just look at the hands pay changes highlighted in red and the current game payout percentage ratio. As a video poker draw cards randomly, mathematic probabilities apply for winning hands. And changing the payout ratio for a winning hand change the total game payout percentage as well. Remember the basics about the 4 simple examples shown here, with pay table changes from 1 pair to the full house from 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 7. 1 2 3 4 5 8. And 1 2 3 4 6 9. That is simple. If you play a video poker, you have more chances to get some paying hands by playing on a game with over 98% payout than one at 94% or below. This was payouts for basic jacks or better video poker games. I will talk about Joker poker and other bonus poker payouts on other videos. I hope you have appreciated these simple explications. Thanks for watching Casino Tech.